northeastern Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, west central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located near Weatherly, or 9 miles north of Lehighton, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, flash freeze on roads. Intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 70 and 97. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 314. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. Locations inspected include Lehighton, Mount Pocono, East Stroudsburg, Cordelia, Palmer, June Shore, Allentown, Musqueam, Weatherly, Delaware Water Gap, Stoneville, Rary Lake, Pocono Pines, Lake Harmony, Seapot, Tannersville, Long Pond, Crescendo, Sunshine Valley, and Reavers. Roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for a sudden loss of traction. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.